have a 1931 Model AA Ford stake bed truck. Okay, I took out the top of the front seat and I wanted to show you what I found underneath. Looks like we got all kinds of goodies in here. I see some mouse droppings. Let's take a look here. What's this? We have a 1930-31 truck license plate from Wisconsin. Let's see what else we have here. This looks like a water pump, Model A water pump. Let's see if I can reach in and see what this is. This looks like a Tillotson carburetor that was in there. And we'll have to see what is underneath the rest over there. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Plenty of mouse droppings. Okay, distributor cap. That might help. A big screwdriver. And some long lost wrenches. Huh. And some wrappers. Oh, this is the distributor cap here. Alright. I don't think there's anything else of value in here. Alright. That's it. Okay, got most of the debris out. A little bit cleaner. Needs to be washed and sterilized, but definitely an improvement. Well, before I take the spark plugs out, I wanted to take a look at the engine. And take a look and see how the condition is around those spark plugs. So what I think I'll do is take a quick vacuum around those. When I take them out, the debris won't be there available to go down into the cylinders. So let's take a look there and get that cleaned up. Okay, cleaned around the spark plugs. Took a look around here at the various parts of the engine compartment. Seems to be complete. I believe it was running when they pulled it in this garage 20 plus years ago. Alright, let's take a look inside. Underneath the seat's been cleaned, but it still needs to be sterilized and really washed up, thoroughly cleaned, sterilized. We take a look, it seems to be pretty complete. And the odometer says 95,000. And we shall see. Alright, here's a look at the engine compartment from the other side. Seems to be complete. Got an air cleaner adapter on there.